Good morning, guys. I'm wearing my seatbelt. Thank you for your feedback. I actually have a very bad habit of not doing so when I'm driving locally in Boston. Somehow, I always wear my seatbelt when I'm on the highway. I know, don't come for my life. It's just something, it's a habit that I've formed that I now need to break. Um, that's a bad habit, and I thank you for your feedback. I will be wearing my seatbelt. Safety first, right? Um, Despite the fact about um, a ticket can be paid for, but your life can never be bought back, right? So safety first, and thank you so much for your feedback. I will definitely be careful when I'm driving and wear my seatbelt. You guys have a great day, and thank you for the love and support.